If your organization uses Monday.com for project management and you also store your assets inside the ImageKit digital asset management system, then in this video, we will show you how you can use all of these assets natively with Monday.com without having to download assets every time that you want to use them or without having to switch between applications or browser tabs to do that. All that you need to do is just install the ImageKit desktop app. It's available for Mac as well as for Windows. I'm on a Mac system right now, and the DAM app appears in the toolbar like you see over here. And I can access all of my content inside this application itself. Now, let's say I'm on Monday.com and I'm updating some task. And I want to insert some images from my DAM application over here. I can just simply drag it onto the description field like this, and it starts uploading. Or let's say if I want a file to be attached to this particular task instead of it becoming a part of the description, I can head to the files tab and I can do the same thing over there as well. Let's say if I want to insert this one, it will start uploading it and it starts becoming available as an attachment to this task. So yeah, in this case, I did not have to download this asset to my system before uploading it to monday.com. I didn't have to switch back to the ImageKit media library interface. I can just use the ImageKit DAM app to use all of my assets natively with monday.com.